Mayor, meron po kayong ipapalabas sa April 21 na isang para sa launching ng Puerto Princesa Underground River. At
Opo.
merong programang gagawin at pupunta yung anim pang nadeklara rin na among the seven wonders of nature. Ano po yung mga paghahanda tungkol doon? Pwede ho ba niyo kaming bigyan ng
Opo,
background?
actually may kasama po tayo rito, si Mr. Pamintuan, sila yung mag-handle ng show. Ang mga naka-line up natin mga artists, sila Gary V, si Eric Santos, si Sarah Geronimo, and of course, ang mga MC natin, si Ding Dong Dantes, si Grace Lee, at saka si Venus Raj ba yan? So, magiging major event po ito sa April 21, and hopefully the President can also attend this event. Andito po kung okay lang, sir, na...
Sige lang po. Bigyan natin ng pagkakataon si Pam.
Good morning. My name is Pam Pamintuan. I am from Eventism. Ako po ang head for this production awarding launch on April 21 at One Esplanade. Um, to give you it's a very short event. It's a 1 hour show with the awarding ceremony at the end. Pero prior to that, this event will be really dedicated to a free admission show. That's why naglagay po kami ng maraming local talents para ma-associate din sa ating Seven Wonders Puerto Princesa product. Meron nilagay po namin sila La Diva for our national anthem portion. Meron po tayong mga champions like Sarah Geronimo, Eric Santos, international known talents also like Bill Joe Crawford with Apple the App. We are now negotiating with Apple the App since I think that week Apple the App will be in town for a commercial shoot. We also have the Black Theater, El Penumbra, um, Joey Ayala, Noel Cabangon, um, Grace Nono, um, we have Casey Concepcion. Ang dami po nating mga naka-line up na celebrities and artists na until this week magko-confirman po. We also have a band group. Pwedeng at the end of the program, pwede pa rin mag-street party to continue the event since nandun na rin po din lang sila. We will also have a 15 minutes fireworks display to highlight the ceremony. And we also have a blimp coming from the organization of the new Seven Wonders Nature. Actually, every country yata dadalhin tong blimp na to, and we will also have this in the venue. Question.
May mga katanungan ho ba? May katanungan po dito kay Mayor. Galing sa Daily Manila Shimbun, yung pong gustong magtanong kanina na pero hindi ho siya marunong magtagalog kaya sabi niya isusulat na lang niya ang kanyang katanungan. Ito po yung katanungan po niya, Mayor. How many tourists did you have before and after winning the Seven Wonders of Nature Award?
When we started in 1992, we only have 12,000 tourists. 98% are Filipinos, are locals. Pero in 2007, before we started the campaign, we already have around 160,000 tourists. But last year, ito na, without the proclamation now, this year. Last year, when we were declared as one of the winners, although not yet officially proclaimed, we registered around 515,000 tourists already. So that's a big jump from 2007, 160 to 515,000 tourists. And early this year, there are already indications that we will reach around 700 to 800,000 tourists.
Okay, thank you so much. Oh, one more question. Like, following that question, is there any like a problems because of the increase of the tourists, like pollutions?
Yes, these are welcome problems, as I was saying earlier, because the underground river can accommodate only a certain number of individuals now, and we are having a hard time now trying to accommodate more than 1,300, 1,400 daily visitors when our carrying capacity, our self-imposed carrying capacity actually is 700 only. So there are around another 700 tourists who cannot enter the cave every day. That's a
Okay, thank you.
problem.
Well, thank you so much.